Entry at kanjo.com. Understanding a business's cash inflows and outflows is crucial to running it efficiently. In this video, I'll show you how to use a cash flow statement template to determine your business's cash flows over the course of a given year. This spreadsheet was created by Dr. Vipver at Vertex42.com. Vertex42 is a wonderful online resource featuring dozens of different spreadsheets, many of which are available for free, and some of which are available for a paid download. I highly recommend you check them out. Let's start by inputting our company name. So that is going to be Kanjo Manufacturing. It's a small business in the land of Kanjolia, and we're going to be analyzing the statement of cash flows for the year ending on December 31st of 2008. The first major input is the cash at the beginning of the year. How much did we have to start? So we had $1 million in the bank to begin. We now scroll down to the line items here. The first major line item is the cash receipts from customers. How much did we get from customers this year in actual cash payments? This year we received about $500,000, and we've also paid out a lot of cash. We paid out about $100,000 for inventory. Now the important thing is that you need to put a negative sign before any figures that is cash paid out. That way the spreadsheet will remain consistent. So if I'm saying that there's $100,000 paid out for inventory purchases, I need to input negative $100,000, as you can see here. So moving on, we also had $150,000 for general operating and administrative expenses, and $150,000. Whoops, let me undo that. And coming down here, we had also another $150,000 for wage expenses. And we didn't have any interest or income taxes this year, and you can see down here that our net cash flow from operations is $100,000. Let's now scroll down, and you can see that we have investing activities. So we received some money by selling off one of our buildings this year. We received $500,000 from that. We didn't collect anything from loans, and we didn't sell any investment securities, but we did pay out some cash because we purchased a new building for $400,000. So we input negative $400,000 in there. And we also made a $50,000 loan to a subsidiary business that we own and we want to continue to see grow. So that leads us with a net cash flow from investing activities of $50,000. Finally, we're scrolling down a little bit, and we have financing activities. Now, we didn't issue any stock this year, and we didn't borrow any money, but we did actually pay out about $100,000 in dividends to our shareholders. So we have to put a negative $100,000 there. And you can see that our net cash flow from financing activities is actually negative, which is okay. That is to be expected if you've only paid out money in financing activities, right? So finally, if you can see down here in cell D38, we have a net increase in cash of $50,000, and that's adds up our operating activities, our investing activities, and our financing activities, and figures out what our net increase in cash is based on those inputs. Now, just like everything else in the spreadsheet, this can be customized for your use, and this particular number will be calculated based on your inputs. Let's scroll down a little bit more, and you can see the final figure here is the cash that we have at the end of the year. And this is simply going to be the cash that we had at the beginning of the year plus the net increase in cash. Or if the net increase in cash is negative, then this cash at the end of the year will actually have decreased. So we started with $1 million, and now we have $1,050,000. So that's pretty much it for the statement of cash flows template produced by Vertex42. One thing that I'd like to show you, which is common to all Vertex42 spreadsheets, is that this spreadsheet is very printer friendly. You can see here that everything fits very nicely onto a single page. Very easy to share with your business colleagues or with whomever else you need, and easy to print out, obviously. So this spreadsheet can be found on the Vertex42 website. And thank you very much for watching. For similar videos, I recommend you check out my website, www.kanjo.com. Thanks again.